Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. That's me. In today's video, we're looking at another quick tip. Today we're looking at something really simple, really handy to put in to an air fryer or an oven, like when you get in from work. And it's just a couple of chips, right? But slightly differently. We're going to put a bit of seasoning, some herbs onto the potatoes, and they're going to come out absolutely gorgeous. So my wife very kindly has peeled some spuds for me already. So I'm just going to cut them up into cubes. So as I say guys, really simple. Just cut them up like this. I'm sure you can see that. So they look phenomenal. There. Just have a quick look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now, listen here. It's a really quick dinner. Like it's a really quick kind of side dish to your main meal, you know. Or it could be something that you have yourself. If you just got in from work late, working all the hours that God sends. Guys, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Cheers.